Okay, welcome back with another video. Today is my tutorial on one of our friend commented on our video that Shanov is asking that is anyone else having lag stuck issue on the Samsung Galaxy A17 after the latest update. Also, is there any working root method yet for Galaxy S26 Ultra, or is Samsung bootloader still fully locked? This is a comment we received. Okay, 17 minutes ago we received this comment and we respond that we good to hear that you comment on our video. On my video I will make a unique tutorial on each device for you today. So I said him on my words that I'm gonna make a video. First of all, I will make a video on Samsung Galaxy A17 and update him fully tutorials, each and every descriptions, everything, so whatever it required. After that, we will make a video on Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra routing method yet, and after that, we will discuss on our next comment we received today 22 minutes ago. Okay, let's back to our topic and copy account questions and then okay, let's ask here and we will see upgrade options on over here. Okay, let's see, can we get upgrade option? Okay, let's see, let me check first of all. Okay, so let's see. It's asking the payments. Let's back to the normal plan and ask the questions. Okay, and write a detail guidelines with required links. And it's searching. Yes, you are definitely not alone. This is a widely reported issue has a detailed guide based on the community and Samsung support have found. Okay. Is anyone else expecting the yes? Multiple Samsung A17 5G users on Samsung members have reported lag and freezing since purchasing the device. App takes too long to open and performance feel delayed even on a relatively new phone. The issue is especially noticeable after the one UI one UI 8.0 plus Android 16 version, which is still being optimized for A series hardware. Why does this happen? The main contributing factors are a modest processor with low RAM of often 4 to 6 GB new software that is still optimized a heavy social apps like FB running in the background. Phone with 4 GB RAM will lag with heavy use and performance drop dramatically when store is almost full. A step-by-step fix. Restart your phone. First of all, you should make your phone restart fully. Restart, close the background apps and refreshes system resources. Okay. Press the hold. Press the hold side key and volume down key simultaneously, then tap restart when the power menu appears. Restarting at least once a week help maintain performance. Okay, another option is check software updates. Go to settings, software updates, update setting, update system update, tap check for software update and download any available update. Also make sure all your apps are updated, as some need updates right away after firmware change. Killer app cache. After updating your phone cache, this can significantly speed up social media apps like Insta, TikTok, and YouTube. Go to setting device care storage clean now. Disable or adjust ROM. If a model has 4 GB RAM, only use 2 GB as virtual memory or disable RAM plus internally physical RAM is faster than UFS 2.2 storage and maximum hour out virtual memory puts the storage under stress. Also, keep at least 50% of the storage free so the system has room to move files itself. Reduce animations. Go to setting display vision enhancement and enable. Reduce animation. This make the phone noticeable faster. Turn off customization service. Go to settings, moods and routes. Tap the three dots right top right customization service. Turn it off. Several users reported it resolve their lag immediately. Restricted background apps. Use safe mode to identify problems apps. Factory reset last resort. If nothing else works as a reset, factory reset will restore your phone to like a new performance. Okay, I will mention the required links on the video description. You may read and you can follow up and when to contact Samsung. If the leak persists after all above steps, it could be hardware issue. Visit, visit a Samsung service store for full diagnosis. You can find your nearest center here. Okay, it's not allowed in my country. Okay, friend, that's all for now. If you can comment on our video and ask any questions, any problems, so I will try to make a video for you according to your tutorial and problems. Try to resolve out. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.